Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gantt chart timeline in the Google Sheets. So first open the docs.google.com/spreadsheets on your browser, and to easily create a Gantt chart, you can use the template from the Google Sheets. So if you can find it in here, you can always go to the template gallery, click on that, and then scroll down and you'll easily spot the Gantt chart timeline. So here you can use Gantt chart or the project timeline or project tracking. You can just choose which one. So I'm going to just use the Gantt chart here. So click on the template and it will automatically open. And what you need to do next is adjust the title of the Gantt chart based on your own project. For example, you can change the project title to the project that you have, change the project manager, and if you want you can also change here the concept of the project. Here each item you can always adjust it, and after that it will automatically save to your Google Drive. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.